Hello, my name is Daniela and
my name is Anne.
Today we are going to talk about colors. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
My favorite color is red. Let's see some more. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple, pink, orange, black, white, brown, gray,
Purple, orange, gray, brown, yellow.
Let's practice. Join each color to its name. Green, yellow, blue, black, brown, purple.
Anne, what color is it?
It's blue.
What color is it?
It's red.
Wow, look at this one! Many colors. And what colors can you see?
I can see pink, orange, and yellow.
Good job, Anne. What's your favorite color? I hope you liked this video. See you next time. Goodbye.